So hello everyone. So in this video we're going to Sea of Galilee. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting facts about Sea of Galilee. So Sea of Galilee is called the Lake Tiberias or Kinneret, and it is a freshwater lake in Israel, and it is the lowest freshwater lake on earth, and it is the second lowest lake in the world after the Dead Sea and the salt water. So the lake is fed partly by underground spring, but its main source of the Jordan River, which flows through it from north to south and exit the lake of the Degania Dam. Diba? Ang lawak-lawak ng Degania Dam. So, ang water use niya, kung tutuusin, is completed and transport water from lake to the population center of Israel, and in the past supplied most of the country's drinking water. So, but nowadays, the lake supplies approximately 10% of Israelis drinking water needs. So, ito yung pinaka-bucket water ng Israel na nagsusupply sa mga karatig bansa. So in terms of tourism, around the Sea of Galilee is an important economic segment. Historical and religious sites in the region draw both local and foreign tourists. The Sea of Galilee is an attraction for Christian pilgrims who visit Israel to see the places where Jesus performed miracles according to the New Testament, such as his walking on water, calming the storm, and feeding the multitude. Alonzo Ketchum Parker, a 19th century American traveler who called visiting the Sea of Galilee, which is a fifth gospel in the Bible. Hello everyone, hello to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Pwede tayo mag-picture dito. Wait lang, 1, 2, 3, take a picture. Okay, one more, backlash. Yes. Video instant camera. Okay.
Okay, guys.
So, itong clip baka tayo hapon na katayahan. So, guys. So, So another facts in terms of geography, so the Sea of Galilee is situated in northeast Israel between the Golan Heights and the Galilee region, in the Jordan Rift Valley and the valley caused by the separation of the African and the Arabian plates. Consequently, the area is subject to earthquakes and in the past volcanic activity. This is evident from the abundant basalt and other igneous rock that define the geology of the Galilee. So, from his names, the lake has been called by the different names throughout its history, usually depending on the dominant settlement on its shores. With the changing fate of the towns, the lake name also changed. The facts of flora, fauna, and the ecology. Sea of Galilee has the warm water of the Sea of Galilee support various flora and fauna, which have supported a significant commercial fishery for more than 2 millennia. Local flora or flora include various reeds along most of the shoreline as well as the phytoplankton. Then the fauna include zooplankton and the benthos, and the number of fish species such as the Acotombrama, and the Fishing and the Agricultural Division of the Ministry of Water and the Agriculture of Israel is listing 10 families of fish living in the lake with a total of 27 species. 19 are native and 8 introduced from the elsewhere. So a fish species that is unique to the lake is the Trinstamella sacra, used to spawn in the marsh and has not been seen in the 1980s or the 1990s droughts. So the conservationists or the conservationists fear these species may have become extinct. So in terms of the lower water levels during the drought years have stressed the lake ecology. This may have been aggravated by over-extraction of water for either the national water carrier of the water supply for the other parts in Israel since 1994 for the water supplies going to Jordan. And during the droughts of the early and the mid-1990s dried what the margin in the margin of the lake. But it is hoped that drastic reductions in the amount of water and the water pumped throughout the national water carrier will help to restore the lake and the ecology over the span of the years.
The mountain.
This is the Golan Heights.
The Golan Heights.
That's the Golan Heights. Behind the Golan Heights, you can see Syria and Lebanon.
Also very,
This is
one of the historic places also in the Golan.
This is the east of Israel. That side, if you continue by airplane, you can see Syria and Jordan, and Lebanon is in the north. So Syria and Lebanon you can see from here. This is Jordan, the baptized side. You want to stop by here or first go to the beach?
Yes, Kinneret, stop.
To stop? Okay. This is the baptized side. I think it's closed. This time it's closed.
Oh.
Yeah, but this is the baptized side. This is Jordan River. This Jordan River goes from here, from the north, okay, until south, until almost Dead Sea. You will see this river. If you go to Dead Sea and you go to Jericho, near Jericho you see this river.
I think it's open.
I don't think it's open. It's farther. But wait.
I think it's open. I think it's open
Listen,
inside.
take camera, go fast. We don't play. Go here just a picture.
Can.